Our Cambodia production line is now fully ready. After a year of setup and testing, everything is running smoothly. The first order was successfully completed through close cooperation between our Chinese and Cambodian teams. The first container is now loaded and ready to ship. This marks a big step in providing faster and reliable service to you. We have confirmed that Line Paper Product Cambodia factory is eligible for preferential tariff rate, which allows for cost saving on your goods. We are beneficial both you and your consumer by making products more affordable.